Hi, good morning, children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hi, hello, how are you kids? I hope you are all are safe. As before going to the topic, I will say you some of exercise. Be ready, student? Stand, sit, stand, jump, stop, jump, stop, jump, stop, sit, stand, sit, stand, sit, stand, jump, stop, jump, stop, jump, stop, sit, stand, sit, stand, sit, stand, jump, stop, jump, stop, jump, stop, jump, stop, sit, stand, sit, stand, sit, stand, jump, stop, jump, stop, jump, stop. Okay, children, sit in your places. Now, children, chapter number 7, time, as exercise 7.1. As see, observe the calendar. February month S has 29 days in the year 2012, 2016 and 2020. In the other year, February has 28 days. Why like that? Tell me. Because 2012, 2016, 2020 is leap year. How many years once will come leap year? 4 years once it will come. Understood, children? See, every 4 years an extra day is added to the month of February. This is due to the revolution of the earth around the sun. The earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to go around the sun. Understood? Already I told you. 1 year, how many days? 365 days, 6 hours. Yes. An ordinary year is taken as 365 days only. Understood? 6 hours put together 4 times make an extra day for the every 4 years. Understood? Every year, how many days? 365 days only. But 6 hours is 6 hours are there na? That one we will add 6 hours 4 times. Understood? 4 times means what? 4 years. We will add that day as a leap year. Understood, children? This added on the get a leap year. Understood? So, there are leap year means how many days? 366 days. Understood? Normal year how many days? 365 days. But leap year 366 days. Understood, children? See, you should know that. That's why I am doing this. This is higher order thinking skill. Understood? Leap year means what? 4 year once it will come. Understood? Why it will come? Because this 6 hours is here na. Every year 6 hours will come. That 6 hours will add 4 years once. Understood? That one day will add in the leap year. Understood, children? See, I will write on the board. You should copy in the classwork mark. Okay? Find the leap year in the following year. Example. Find the leap year in the following year. See, following years. What is that? 2020, 2021, 2022, 2024 and 2025. Understood? See, how will find this? Tell me. Leap year means what? 4 years one it will come. As keep it in the mind. Leap year means what? 4 years one it will come. Solution. In a leap year, the number formed by the last two digits is an exact multiply of 4. Understood? See, these two digits. It will multiply by 4 or not? You should check. Okay? See children, 20. 20 will multiply by 4. See, 4 5s are 20. It will multiply. Yes? Yes. In 2020, the number formed by the last two digit is, see, 2020 two digit. What is the two digit? Yes, see, 20. Yes, 20, which is a multiply of 4. Yes or no? 4 5s are 20. It will multiply. Yes. Next. See, 2021. 21 is multiplied by 4. No, because 21 will not come in 4 table. It will come? No. In 2021, the number formed by the last two digit is 21, which is not multiplier, not a multiply of 4. Yes or no? It will multiply 21? No. Okay. Copy properly. After that, remaining all I will give. Okay. After writing this, I will give remaining also. Next, over. I will wipe the board now. Next you should write 2022, 2024 also. Yes. See, continue this only, ma. Next, you completed 2020, 2021. Yes. Now 2022. After that 2024. After 2025. Okay. It will multiply by 4 or not, you should check that last 2 digits. Yes or no? Next. In 2022. 2022. 22 is multiplied by 4? No. Not multiply. Not a multiply. Yes or no? 22 will come in 4 table. 22 will come? No. In 2024. 24 is multiplier or not? Yes. 4 6 24. Yes or no? Is a multiply of 4. Yes or no? Next, in 2025. 25 is multiply? No. 25 is not a multiply of 4. Because you should check. Understood? Tables you know means you can do easily. Understood? Next, thus, what is in this? Which one is the leap year? Tell me. 2020 and 2024 is leap year. As thus 2020 and 2024 are the leap years. Yes, children. Yes or no? I will find leap year. You should check the last two digits. Is it multiplied by 4 or not? Yes. If you multiply means that is leap year. If not multiply, that is not leap year. Understood? Take out your workbooks, children, everyone. Higher order thinking skill, I will say you. Complete this. Okay? After that, take out your workbook. Okay, children, take out your workbook. Okay, take out your workbook, ma. What is that? Higher order thinking skill. HOTS. HOTS. S. Short answer question. Identify the leap year in the following year. What they are asking? 21. Identify the leap year in the following years. What is the years they given? 2013, 2016, 2019, 2022. Yes. You should identify in these years which one is leap year. See, already I told you. Yes, what I told you? In 2-digit number, it will multiply by 4 or not, you should find. Yes, in 2013, 13 is not multiply of 4. Yes, 13 will multiply? No. 12 will multiply, but 13 is not multiply. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. Yes. Next 2016. Yes. In 2016, these two numbers 16 is multiply. See, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. Yes, it will multiply. Yes, 16 is multiply of 4. Yes. Next, in 2019, 19 is multiplying 4? No, not multiply. You know tables, na children? Did you learn tables or not? Daily you should learn tables. Then only you know that. 2022. 22 is multiplied by 4? No, not multiply of 4. Yes. Which one is multiply here? 16. 2016 is multiplied. That's why thus 2016 is a leap year. Yes or no? Which year is leap year here? 2016 is a leap year. Yes or no, children? Copy next long answer question. I will say you how to write. Next, children, 22nd one. Long answer question. See? What is that long answer question? Aditya was born on 29th February 2000. He celebrates his birthday once in a 4 years. Why? Because 2000 is a leap year. As Aditya was born on 29th February 2000. Yes, the year 2000 is a leap year. Yes, as it divisible four. Hence, see 2000 is divisible by 4. Yes or no? Can divide. Hence February has 29 days in the year A leap year occurs once in 4 years. Yes or no? So, Aditya celebrate his birthday only once in 4 years. Understood, children? Aditya birthday is on 29th February. 29th February means 4 years once it will come. Yes, because that is leap year. Yes, the year 2000 is leap year as it is divisible 4. Yes or no? Hence February has 29 days also. You know 29 days means leap year. Yes, that's why Aditya celebrate birthday 4 years once. Understood, children?